Hi, we're going to talk about how to actually use scale when we have shapes and how to use scale factors and everything. And I guess I should say to reproduce new shapes. A scale drawing for an apartment is shown below. In the drawing, 5 centimeters represents 6 meters. So that's our scale factor, 5 centimeters to 6 meters, where 5 is going to be our fake thing. In that case, it's this picture. And 6 is going to be a real thing, which means the real living room and bedroom. So it says, assuming the bedroom is rectangular, find the area of the real bedroom. Well, here's our bedroom. So we don't actually care about the living room. So there are multiple ways to solve this. But what I choose to do is I'm going to go change each of these and find the real dimensions of the bedroom. So here's my scale factor. And now I need to put my fraction in for my actual dimensions. One dimension is 5 centimeters. Well, you'll notice that that's the same thing. So it's going to be the same thing here. But we can still solve anyway. When you do your fish method, 5 times 6 is 30, divide by 5. Again, that equals 6 meters. So our real bedroom, the real dimensions of the bedroom, 6 meters over here. Now we have to go solve this again, but instead of 5 centimeters, we're going to use the other dimension of the bedroom, which is 10 centimeters. Oops, sorry, I put that in the wrong spot. It goes up here, 10 centimeters. And our fish method, which we can solve, it's going to end up as 12 meters. So when we solve, 10 times 6 is 60, divide by 5 is 12. So that's why this is 12 meters. And so 12 meters here. Now we're not actually done. It didn't just ask what are the dimensions of the bedroom. It asked us to find the area of the real bedroom. Well, area is just multiplying length times width, 6 times 12, which, what is that, 72? Does that sound right to you guys? Maybe I should check it just in case. 6 times 12 is 72. But area is a dimension, so it needs a unit. We did 6 times 12, which is also meters times meters. So our answer is going to be in meters squared. So 72 meters squared. And there we used our scale factor to kind of create a new image. Okay, we're going to do one more example. Let's see. Let's find it. There we go. Okay, again, we're going to have a scale factor here. It says the figure below was made with a scale of 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit means like one square, is 8 centimeters. Oh, and now that I've done that, I realize that they're saying one right here, this is 8 centimeters, so I apologize. That's what they're saying. They're saying one of those is 8 centimeters. 1 square over here. Now it says draw the figure with a new scale of 1 unit is 2 centimeters. So this was 8 centimeters. Well, now it's only 2 centimeters, and we have to redraw this thing. So now if I draw this, there are multiple ways that we can solve this. But I'm just going to kind of use logic. We could set up a proportion, but we're not going to. So using our logic, we have, this was 8. Well, we still need to total 8, but now this only is 2. So I'm going to keep going. 2, that's 4, that's 6. There we go, that was 8. Okay, I'm done with that line. Now let's do the next one. Here's 8. Okay, well, here's 2, 4, 6, 8. Boom. Used logic. Now, I certainly could have used a scale factor, right? My scale factor is my new thing to my old thing. Well, my new thing is only 2 centimeters. My old thing was 8 centimeters. So when I simplify that, that's 1 over 4. So that's telling us that for every 1 square I have here, I need 4 squares over here on my new one. Anyway, that's one way we could have done it. But I'm going to keep going ahead and just using my logic because that's my favorite. So now 1 square here. Remember, I did the work over there. I know I need 4 squares, but I can count. That was 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Boom, done. Now it's a rectangle, so I don't even have to count anymore. There you go. So this is another example of using some scale to redraw. These are the exact same thing, but the scale's different. So we could count. We know the length of this rectangle is 16, and the length of this rectangle is also 16. So there you go. That is scale factor.